Hey, Bruce here, the 5-Minute Handyman. I am installing a soap dispenser on a kitchen sink and I wanted to show you how to do that. So let's take a look at some of the hardware and we'll talk about it. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel so you can see different handyman projects and home improvement projects. So let's get right to it. So what I've got here is I've got a liquid soap dispenser. And so this we're going to attach. Instead of this bottle here, we're going to attach this into the hole on the sink. And so if we did not have a hole there already, we would have to deal with doing that. But since the sink already has the hole, we will just go ahead and put it together. And so let's open up the package. And so what I've got is I've got a bottle that we're going to fill with soap. I've got a tube. We have the pump assembly here, and so this lifts up out of the holder. So the holder is going to be attached in here, and when we're ready to fill it, we just pull this out and we pour our soap in here. We don't have to go underneath and unscrew the bottle, so it makes it very convenient to have one of these types of dispensers. And I just put this in and pump it away, prime it, and then we're ready to go. So what I'll have to do is there's a nut here, and what we'll do is just take this off, and there's also a rubber washer here which is going to help hold things in place. And I'll need to reach under the sink. I don't know if I have to lie up underneath there to reach it, but either way, it's just a matter of getting this up there, and then we'll hand tighten this and see how that works. If I need to come back and do use a wrench to tighten it up, then we'll do that as well. But now let's just get this attached and hand tightened. Okay, so when I put this underneath here, I'm going to have the rubber gasket here and then my nut on the bottom there. So we'll see how long my arms are, see if I can reach both pieces. Oh yes, I can. Alright, so we'll get this started. Spin the nut up here. Now what'll happen is the rubber washer is going to help grip the nut on the bottom. So, okay, so that's nice and tight. So I will not need to use a wrench on that. And so now what we'll do is we'll go to phase 2 here. And we're going to take our bottle, screw the bottle on. Now the bottle has a O-ring on it so that when we fill it up, it's not going to leak at all if we overfill it. And so we just want to make sure that the O-ring is down along the bottom of the seal edge. Okay, so put this up underneath here. Screw it on. I want to make this not really too tight. Okay. Alright, so then I'll pump. Take the tube, push the tube into the bottom of the pump assembly, and now this is going to reach down into the tank and it'll pull up our soap. So let's going to take this old one and we're just going to empty this into here. Alright, so you can use dish soap, hand sanitizer, you know, whatever, any kind of liquid thing that you want to put next to your sink. I like to use this Dove soap, and because then you can get a nice clean wash with your hands, or if you need to you're washing something, you just squirt a little bit. You can use a brush or whatever you want to do. Okay, so here we go. Put this in. Give it a couple of pumps. And we're good to go. Okay, so now we have soap coming out in our sink. So it's easy as that to put in one of the soap dispensers in a sink area. Like I said, if you don't have the hole, then you're going to have to deal with that, which makes it a little bit more complex, but procedure is very easy on getting that installed. Thanks for watching. Love to have you subscribe to my channel so you can see other home improvement projects and handyman activities. Thanks. Bruce here, the 5-Minute Handyman.